Hello, this is Mr. Loreline with the weekly roundup for Literature 8 from October 5th until October 8th. So this week we're going to be finishing worksheet number 1 for the career unit, and students will be turning that in through Google Classroom. On Tuesday we're going to pick up the week 2 worksheet, and just like last week, students will be watching a video first part, finding the main idea, supporting it using the race writing technique. And now with the reading part, they're going to choose a Newsela article from a text set from Dream Jobs on jobs they may be interested in. They'll answer those questions and then of course find the main idea and use the race writing technique to support their answer. Now of course on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday they will be doing something similar each day, but there will be a new video and of course they will choose a new Newsela article. So that's your weekly roundup for this week.